Alrighty, YouTube, we are live. I figured I would just live stream my struggles as I'm working at the night right now, and yeah, that's how this live stream came to be. In the bottom left corner is what I am watching as I work, because I usually watch live streamers while I work. So yeah, right now what I'm working on is Vicuna. Trying to get a uncensored Vicuna model working. So we shall see how that goes. But if I get that working tonight, I do have plans on working on vector databases. So we'll see how that works. I think what I'm going to do is use LangChain and ChromaDB to work with vector databases so that we can try to incorporate long memory into Vivi. So yeah, that is what is up. Okay. So yeah, I'm just gonna get to work, and I'll be here just doing stuff. Quantized model directory. Glad I could come in. Glad. So yeah, we are currently working right now with the blokes models. Let's see if I can share. Alright, here we go. I forget where I got this code from. It's from one of these stable Vicuna, I think. Oh, auto GPTQ. No. Try in. Okay, because you're not out of die, you can fill them manually. How to easily download and use this model in text. I don't want to use the text generation web UI. task. If I run this, I think I looked up the error code. No, I did not look up the error code. So what I'm trying to do right now is just find where I got this code from. I don't remember exactly where I got this code from that I was gonna try out. Oh man, was it Vicuna? No. Oh, it might be from here actually. Auto GPTQ. Yes, this is it right here. Okay, tutorials, here we go. Okay, I'm not running Linux or Triton or WSL. No. That was one thing I was reading, but I'm looking at something else. What the heck? Slide the image to complete the puzzle. What the heck am I completing? Oh, to complete the donut. Oh. Okay. I could probably just specify the directory actually. Copy path. Throw that in there. Get model. Throw that in there. Let's try that. Syntax error. Oh, oops. Try to run it again. Alrighty. We are doing something wrong here. Safe tensors. GPTQ instructions. Main branch, you'll find all versions of GPTQ on the quantize a model and inference after quantization. This is one thing I don't like about GitHub is sometimes it's rough to read some of these things. back to quick start. Full script of basic usage demonstration here. Oops. Here. Okay. Okay, let's see what this says. What is stable Vicuna? Let's see. LGBTQ. Here we go. Or I just went through this one. Oh, here we go. What are safe tensors? Okay. Safe tensor. Welcome to the tutorial of AutoGPTQ. Okay, pretty sure I have this already installed, but let's just go ahead and just make sure. Yep. To load pre-trained model and tokenizer first. Okay. Auto tokenizer, quantize config. Gonna call logging. Okay, do main. Ready. Okay, this one's already been quantized. The format of model base. Name saved in this message is bits group size dot. For bit. Oh, I need a config. Quantize config. Alright, let's save the quantize config there. Pre-train you should use from quantized. Alright, actually, let me just delete all these. Based on the values of bits and group size init, load, modify onto the first visible GPU. Okay. Oh, I gotta do this. Quantize model directory. Copy relative path. Modify onto the first visible GPU, then you can initialize transformers and do inference. Okay, let's try that. Tokenizer. Tokenizer. Where was that? Here we go. Wait, what? Do I need that? Can I do that? I don't know. Load quantized model and do inference. I'm a little confused still. What the heck? Path to directory containing local model, model base name. Okay, yeah, let's go with this. How do I get the model base name? Is it this? Let's use this. Path to directory containing local model. Copy relative path. Quantize model directory. Printing. Print. Okay. Run it. See what errors we get. Repo ID must use alphanumeric characters or repo ID must. Okay. What does this mean? But it's not from Hugging Face, huh? Okay. Let me copy path. Shit, is it? What? to set parameters manually in your code because they get loaded from quantized config. Example, first download and build auto GPTQ. Path to directory containing local model. Huh? Auto tokenizer local model. Huh, do I? I don't think I have everything downloaded. Let me see. Need the tokenizer? We'll download all these. Tokenizer config, I'll do that too. Okay, I got the config.json. Yeah, we'll download this config.json too. Just download all those. Okay, let's try this again. Repo ID, but I'm not trying to grab from the repo. I want to run it locally. Tokenizer class. Instantiate one of the tokenizer classes of the library from a pre-trained model vocabulary. Tokenizer class to instantiate is selected based on the model type property of the config object, either passed as an argument or loaded from pre-trained model name or path string, either model ID of a predefined tokenizer hosted inside a path to a directory containing vocabulary files required by the tokenizer. For instance, saved using the pre-trained tokenizer.save pre-trained method. Path or single vocabulary file, and only if the tokenizer requires federation. Path to a directory in which whether or not to force download. Let's see. If vocabulary files are in a directory, tokenizer was saved using save pre-trained test saved model. Okay, what if I try this? Could not find model. Rename wizard. What? What? I don't think this is gonna make a difference by doing forward, but we'll see. Repo ID must be in the form repo name or name space repo name repo. Let us see if ChatGPT has anything for me. See, I am a beginner trying beginner fudge. How do you spell beginner? Beginner. Oh my god, I'm trying to GPTQ model. A new GitHub repo auto GPTQ, but am running into this error here. Here is the code that I have at the current moment. To load a model from your case looks like from the model from the tokenizer. Namespace repo name. What? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I'm not sure. Huh? Okay, we got past that because I deleted that. Okay. Tokenizer and model. Okay. Quantize model directory. Okay. Okay, could not find model. Whoa. Oh. 4bit.act.order. Okay. Okay, dokie. Oh, paths. There was looks like the author had either changed it or used a different naming scheme for that. Okay. Jesus Christ, that took like an hour. Almost took me an hour. Just okay. copy paste, copy paste. Okay. All right. Cool. Okay, by default, CUDA extension will be built at installation if CUDA and PyTorch already installed. CUDA extension not installed. Wait, what? By default, CUDA extension will be built at installation if CUDA and PyTorch are already installed. CUDA extension not installed. Alright. Look at this bug. Try reinstalling completely fresh with the one-click installer. Only happens if there is no GPTQ. Reinstalling atop an existing. Huh? Reinstalling using newest installers. CUDA extension not installed. What does that mean? What does this mean? By default, CUDA extension will be built at installation if CUDA and PyTorch are already installed. I have CUDA. Import torch. Torch.CUDA is available. True. Okay, quit. To disable building. Okay. Okay, the safe tensors archive does not contain metadata. Make sure to save your model with the pre-trained method defaulting to PT metadata. I wonder if I'm gonna run out of memory. We shall see. Special tokens. Oh shoot, it generated. That took a long time. Pipe prompt template generated text. Input IDs. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Okay, input IDs, tokenizer, prompt, template. About to sneeze. Achoo. Oh, my nose. Okay. Okay, so it did generations. Nice. Okay. Okay, so what happened? So we have a generate, and then we have a pipeline. Tell me about AI human. Prompt. Jesus, that took way too long to figure out. An hour. Okay, done. Hey, what's up? Thank you for tuning in, Andrew. Let's see. Dang, OBS is cutting off your comment. Let me see. Why did I choose Vicuna over other local LLMs? Well, Vicuna right now is it Vicuna or Vicuna? Either one is supposed to be pretty powerful locally, and you know, benchmarks say that it's one of the better ones, so that's why I'm choosing to use it. I think there's like too many out there in the community right now, so I wanted to try out Vicuna. I have gotten FastChat T5 from the FastChat T5 model to work from FastChat, but that one's only $3 billion. And so I want to try going a little bit bigger, so that's why I've got this 30 billion one right now. Yeah, I don't know if any of the other ones are up there. You probably have like Alpaca and whatnot. There's this Falcon one and Guanaco. But I just hear a lot of good reviews about Vicuna, so that's why I'm using Vicuna. I feel like a lot of it is kind of just, well, there's not a lot of definitive answers out there on the internet. So for me, it's kind of like, okay, well, most of these AI technologies, I gotta try myself to see how they work before, in order to actually see if they're useful or not, instead of trust other people, because there's just not enough information out there right now. Oh, okay, cool. So baseline works. So what did I do? Okay, so I need a quantized model directory, model base name, and that's what this is. Okay, this is from AutoGPT-Q, casual LM from quantized. This one's already quantized, pre-trained. Use fast. What is use fast? Yeah, I need 24 gigs. I have a 4090, so it can handle it, kind of. Those generations took quite a bit of time. Definitely not something I'd want to integrate into like an assistant, but they're getting smaller and smaller, which is why I wanted to try to use the 30 build to see how that one works. Something new came out, something called Q LoRa, but people say inference time on that is ridiculously slow, so just keeping an eye out on some of these things. I think I could get away with a 13 build model and be a little bit happier with speed, so that's what I'm going to be looking at next. What the heck does use? I just want to see what use fast does. Use fast, use fast. See, fast Rust based tokenizer is supported for a given model. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Model with in the quantized model. Dot safe tensor. Input the name before dot safe tensor model base name. Oh yeah, for anything, I use a lot of GPT, a lot of GPT 3.5 and a lot of GPT 4, because it's just so much faster, so much better, so much faster. So, for the time being, the open AI GPT models are still, I think, the best speed for, yeah, I guess best bang for your buck, because it's super fast and super good. But it'd be nice to run everything locally. And I think, that's where the technology is trying to move, trying to make these models smaller, trying to make them smaller yet capable for our consumer level stuff. I can't wait till I get access to the GPT-4 32K. That'd be kind of cool. I actually don't know what I would use it for, but that might be pretty interesting. That's a lot of money right there, though. I think to do like, oh man, what is that? 30,000 tokens. How much would that cost? It's 12 cents per 1,000. Let's see, so 10, $4 for every 30k tokens. Man, that's a lot of money right there. That'll go quick. Just the directory, not the model name. Triton. Triton. Interesting. So what was the 14th, 13th amendment? And why was it important? Unfortunately not. She will be live in another 4 hours, which I will be asleep by then. It's so unfortunate that she doesn't stream often enough. But yeah, no, I'm rewatching a VOD. I think Botan's the only one I can really watch to chill and do work too. That's a warning, not an error. Oh, shoot, what happened? Keyboard interrupt. I did not interrupt it. Or did I? There is not a way. Supports loading directly to CUDA. Right, soju to the fridge. Ooh, tap water. Can you make sure to upgrade accelerate, and then you can load the model directly on GPU with safe tensors? Please provide a minimal working example of loading safe tensors to GPU. Safe tensors installed. Safe tensors, is that something I had to install? Safe tensors. I don't know if I have this installed. Pip. Pipeline. Oh, huh. What's the difference between pipeline and generate? so many questions. Oh, I already have safe tensors. 13th Amendment. And it's a competition to follow slavery. Voluntary servitude is important because it brought an end to brutal and inhumane practices that have been put in American society for centuries. American ratified in 1865. The 14th Amendment. 15th Amendment. Is pipeline necessary? I don't think so. I don't think it is. Run. Save tensors archive passed at does not contain metadata. I think that's just a error message I don't have to care about. That provided the default. Build a pipeline. Yeah, what are pipelines for? Hugging Face pipeline usage. Use a pipeline for inference. Hugging Face. Oops. Pipeline versus generate. Right, model. A Sudoku puzzle. I would be interested in seeing how the GPT-4 code interpreter works. I've been hearing good things about it from AI Explains YouTube channel, and I really can't wait to have access to code interpreter. I haven't had a positive experience with plugins on ChatGPT, so I just stay away from plugins for the most part. If anything, I use the Bing search way more often than I use that. Yeah, that sounds kind of rough though. But I bet if it has access to the code interpreter, it can spin up some type of code to create a Sudoku puzzle or a Sudoku algorithm. Okay, what was the difference versus using the model? Sorry, sounds like I was just wondering. Using what the pros and cons. The pipeline API is created mostly details of the learning process. People who just want to use now having to implement several details like pre and post processing themselves, such that you can get easy to use. Generate behind the scenes. Generate the text. And you have the keyword arguments there. kind of understand this, but let me ask if GPT can simplify this to my feeble brain. Could you simplify this even more for my feeble brain? What does this refer to in terms of LLM generation? I totally agree. I think right now GPT-4 doesn't seem to be able to verify like the answers that plugins give. Maybe not, which is why that I've found that plugins aren't that good. But maybe the way that it's incorporated into code interpreter, it's like a part of it, so might be able to understand it a little bit more, or I don't know. That's just my hypothesis. But AI explained it, craves and raves about it, and says that it's better than Wolfram, so I'm excited to see it. Context of language. Pre-processing and post-processing refer to the steps taken before and running pre-processing. Before input data is often needed to be pre-processed. Tokenization, of course, yes. Punctuation, okay. Transform this word embeddings, okay. Generation output needs to be tokenization. Case of the pipeline function handles these to input raw text and get understandable output without needing to. Oh, I see. Gotcha. Can I print? I want to print out output, see what output what is inside of output. That's what's happening here. So there's a decode step afterwards. Oh, there's that S stop token, I think. Hey, you know what? That means you're in the same place that I am. It's 2 a.m. over here, so thank you for tuning in, Andrew. See you around. Appreciate the comments and appreciate the engagement. Why is this pipeline response so much different than the generate? Generate. Okay, I see what that means. I can face pipeline. What? Oh no, it got rid of it. Ah, dang it. Alright, let me just print out, let me just print out pipe as well. Print out pipe. Alright, I'll put that. Pipeline text classification. Okay, so it's... Oh, it's calling, it's calling it with the prompt template. Is that what's happening? First one is generated text. To call a pipeline with many items, you can call it with a list. Okay, so you can do this and then... How does that work? Okay, what? So each one of these is a token inside of it that refers to a certain string of characters. That's what I am assuming. tokenizer. Prompt template, return, generate input IDs. Temperature's the same. Okay, what if I did top underscore P equals 0.95 and repetition penalty. Will I get the same sort of answer? Oh wait, I don't need the tokens. Okay. Okay, let me close out of all of these. I kind of have a general idea on how to get the LLMs running now, so. Alright. Vector databases. Lang chain and chroma db. Alrighty, it is 2 o'clock here, so getting the LLM to run actually took a little bit longer than I had intended, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get any additional work done on the vector database part of things, but I will continue working on this tomorrow, so that we can try to get this integrated into the Vivi project. Okay, yeah, I'll have to go over this tomorrow, and I think I was gonna use some inspiration from local GPT, which is by a guy named Prompt Engineer on YouTube, because it looks like he's using LangChain and instructor embeddings. So I will use that. I mean, same concept, I think, to make a vector database. So I have to see how he implemented the vector database and do some YouTube searching. Ah, okay. So generate and pipeline are exactly the same. I know you guys can't see it. Yeah, but generate and pipeline looks like they produce exactly the same thing. When repetition penalty and top P is inputted. So I will go ahead and comment this out. It looks like pipeline does a better job at or it looks like pipeline filters out the stop tokens, the begin and stop, like S. I'm assuming that's a stop token, so it's filtered out inside of pipeline, so that's good. Would I be able to run this for an AI VTuber? Absolutely not. It's way too dang slow. Heck no. Oh no. Comment this out. Okay. Alright, let me go ahead and copy this now to main. Because, yeah, this is the code that's working. So, yeah, we'll go ahead and save this and keep our main where we're at. Alright, we don't have any arg parsing, so. Right, but I presume I could do a while loop here. I could do a while loop here and then just prompt it like a normal large language model. It is a chat completion though, so how would I append previous stuff? Hey, let me try that real quick. Actually, I'm unsure on how to do that as like a filter, so let me see. Wait, can I actually just do it like this? Oh wait, no, I can't do that. There's nothing in the prompt. I like it. I like this one. But let's see. Let's see, given I want to create a regex filter. A filter to the text after assistant in the following text. What type of filter could I use so that it only returns this? I'm using Python. Regex. Captures the text after the assistant. The dot ash matches any character except new line 0 or the part matches any character except want to capture everything after it regardless. I want to capture everything after assistant. It must also capture things like new lines. This rejects filter suffice. Dot all. I don't like this. I don't like how I have this import v here. Huh? Hello? What's happening? Oops. Oops. How would I add it back in? Let me create a second prompt template. Oh, nice. Perfect. That worked. Wait, hold on. What future legislation did this pave the way for? Alright, let's try it with this. Ah, this is gonna break it, isn't it? This is gonna break it. Because if I try using this for any future responses, will return a conversational pipeline. Okay, let us see what happened here. Okay, 13th Amendment, legislation. Okay, this kind of broke. Conversational pipeline. Chatbots are used to have conversations. Okay, I'll have to take a look into this a little bit more to see how people incorporate it into making like a chat interface to where it chats back without these um, uh, patterns or templates. So yeah, I'll have to take a look at that, because I know this is how like the GPT DaVinci models worked for text completions, but it's completely different for the chat completions, which you feed in a list of dictionaries instead, and roles to get responses back. So I have to see how that works. So yeah, like I said a little bit earlier, I am going to leave it at that. I will do a little bit of vector databases tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be that. So I'm gonna be out of here for the night. And if you're still in the chat, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys either tomorrow or sometime in the future.